伫英国的纳兰花数量会当讲是全球排第1名。这种花毋但是英国生物多样性真重要的一部分，嘛是英国人保守大自然甲环境上好的表现。
英格兰中部彼得堡勒的这个林地，如梦似幻的纳兰花梨花，亲像铺一层蓝色地毯共款的壮观，空气当中也充满强烈独特的香甜味。
I think it speaks for itself. The woodland looks incredible this time of year, especially with some of our areas are absolutely carpeted in bluebells, and it gives kind of that fairy tale kind of magical feel, I think, which is why so many people come at this time of year.
纳兰花是一种野生植物，普遍生长在西欧地区的森林，是蜜蜂、蝴蝶、水果、蜜蜂重要食物来源。全世界一半以上的纳兰花拢发在英国。英国历史文化保护机构国家信托就将纳兰花叫做非正式国花，都知伊大受大家喜喜，甚至也有真侪民间传说甲同会，特别是甲仙女巫婆有关系。风声若听到纳兰花铃声，迄就是死亡预兆，迄就是今这个花丛就会互仙女卖掉咧。也佮讲巫婆卖薰油啊内底就放纳兰花，讲遮尔济，结论就是爱大家毋通凊彩去买。也毋通惊这个花丛内底乌白搭，这种食物敢若为种子发芽开花，都要用5到7年的时间。受损的材啊，搁要用10年到12年时间才复原。
Bluebells are extremely susceptible to being trampled. In fact, just a continuous amount of people trampling a similar area in a couple days can mean that those bluebells that have been trampled don't come for 10 to 12 years, come back till then, and in some cases they may not come back at all.
就安尼，真侪纳兰花林地报道，拢会徛提醒民众毋通惊这个花丛的告示牌啊，也警告大家毋通挽花，啊若无会受罚。公司新闻王慧文报道。